In this video, we talk about rounding and rounding up or rounding down. Alright, so let's get into it. Now I am using the Northwind database, and if you need it, link down in the description below. And I currently just did a select all from the orders table, and we're going to be messing with the freight column here because it's a float. So we got some decimal values in here so we can round these numbers. So let's go ahead and just do our basic round function. So let me do freight so we get the freight, if I could spell it, and then round and freight. Alright, so this is the round function obviously, and we can see what it does. So it basically rounds to the nearest integer, so it'll round up. If it's at 0.5, it rounds up, and then anything under 0.5 it rounds down. So here we are rounding down, rounding up, rounding up, rounding down, rounding down, rounding down, rounding up, etc. So that's how round works, just how you typically would think a round function would work. It rounds your numbers up or down depending on where you are. Now if you want to round up no matter what, even if it's just like a little bit more, like 51.3, and you want to round up to 52, you can do that as well. Like this often comes in handy when you're dealing with like whole numbers, like of people. Like you might do some equation and come up with like 51.3 people, and obviously you can't have a third of a person, so you'd round that up to 52. So in that case you would do ceiling. So ceiling, so that rounds up to the ceiling. Boom, so everything is rounded up. So 33, or you see instead of 32, 38, 33, 11 gets to 12, and then here's our 51.3 rounded up to 52. So that's if you want to round up, you type in ceiling. Now if you want to round down, guess what you type in? We got ceiling up here, so what's down here? Let's see if I'm on the camera. We got floor, right? We got the floor. So let's throw in floor, and then no matter what, it rounds down to the nearest integer. So we got 32 rounded down, 11.61 down to 11, 65.83 down to 65, and so on. So that's how floor works, and that's how round works and ceiling works. So hopefully given this information, you can round up, down, or whatever's closest. And that's really it for this video, short little video. If you found it helpful in any way, shape, or form, I appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, anything like that. And I hope that you have a great rest of the day.